Mashed banana can work magic on cracked heels. Massage one mashed banana onto the skin and let it sit for about 10 minutes. Then wash it away with lukewarm water. Toothpaste is effective too if you prefer eating bananas and not rubbing them into your feet. Take a half a spoon of toothpaste. Opt for the classic, the gel toothpaste won't do. Apply it right on the heels and leave overnight. If one procedure doesn't give the desired result, repeat it. It's better to do it 3 to 4 times. To make it work even better, mix the toothpaste with some vitamin E capsules. Surprisingly, mouthwash works wonders not only for your teeth and gums, but also for cracked heels. Mix equal proportions of your favorite mouthwash, vinegar, and water, and you'll get a perfect solution to soak your feet in. Wait for 15 minutes and presto, your heels are as good as new. The acids in mouthwash and vinegar will exfoliate all the dry skin. Make sure the mouthwash contains benzoic acid. It's actually 2 birds with 1 stone, since this procedure helps with stinky feet too. It's all thanks to the antibacterial effect most mouthwashes have. Add a small cup of your favorite mouthwash next time you do your laundry to sanitize it. It'll help get rid of germs and will keep your washing machine clean. It's great for gym clothes too. If you pour some mouthwash into the cleaning tool of your choice, you can use this liquid as a glass cleaner. It's good for keeping the screen clean, and it also helps get rid of mold and dirt. Bug bites tend to itch a lot. A drop of toothpaste can calm almost any sting and even decrease the swelling if there is some. It also works with blisters and sores because toothpaste dries them up. Apply some toothpaste and leave it overnight. Cover the place with some film or simply a Band-Aid to prevent smudging. Mouthwash can help with stings too. Pour some onto a cotton pad and apply it to the irritated area. Toothpaste can also be used alternatively too, for your fingernails. They have a lot in common with your teeth. Apply a small amount of toothpaste right on the nails and scrub them with a brush or cloth. It'll make them stronger and glossier. If you soak your fingernails in mouthwash, it might help get rid of fungus. This method won't work alone, but it's a great additional option. Soak your nails in mouthwash twice a day for about 20 minutes. Gel-based toothpaste can be used instead of hair gel. Put a drop of toothpaste on your hand, rub it between the palms, and style your hair the way you want. Wait for the gel to dry. The secret is simple. Toothpaste gel and hair gel contain the same water-soluble polymers. But please, don't brush your teeth with hair gel. But if you do, tell us about it in the comments. If your gel paste has no menthol in it, you can use it to tame your brows too. Many makeup artists also use clear soap to do that. They rub a brush against a soap bar with a tiny drop of water and brush through the brows. Only rain can ruin this magic. Vaseline can be applied to heal cracked anything, from your heels to nose. If you blow your nose often and it's freezing outside, put a bit of Vaseline on it. This substance will protect your nose from cold and help it heal faster. It also prevents excessive dryness. Vaseline can be used for blisters. If a new pair of shoes has been too tight, apply some Vaseline on the affected area. This solution isn't perfect, but it'll somewhat reduce possible unpleasant consequences. Spread a generous coating of Vaseline along the sides of your face before dyeing the hair. This way, the dye won't stain your forehead. You can easily wipe the petroleum jelly off when you're done. If there's chewing gum in your hair, Vaseline can come to the rescue. All you need to do is generously apply it on the spot and kinda slide the gum out of your hair. No worries, Vaseline washes off easily. Foundation and lipstick stains are usually hard to remove. Luckily, they're shaving foam. Sure, it won't make the stains disappear instantly, but put a tiny bit of foam right onto the dirty spot before dropping your clothes in the washing machine. You aren't going to see the stains again. To make your hair appear thicker, put a bit of eyeshadow on your scalp along the parting. If you're running out of mascara or any other liquid product kept in a tube, remove the plastic stopper and get more product from the same package. Another trick is to add a few drops of contact lens solution if your mascara has dried out. One more unordinary way to use contact lens solution is to intensify the eyeshadow color. If you put some liquid on your brush or applicator, the color will be brighter. You can also make your own eyeliner. Just mix a drop of contact lens solution and whatever eyeshadow color you like. Don't throw away a banana peel after you're finished with the fruit. It's great for exfoliating and pore unclogging. The only thing you gotta do is rub the fleshy side of the peel directly onto your skin. Let the residue sit on the face for about 10 minutes, then wash it away with lukewarm water. Chickpea flour is another great exfoliator. Mix it with some apple vinegar and tea tree oil for antibacterial effect. It's better to use flour scrub instead of sugar or salt scrubs because flour can't damage the skin. As for sugar and salt, they can leave small scratches and germs might get into them. If your hair is naturally fair but you want to go even lighter, there's no need to bleach it. Try honey and cinnamon. Honey contains hydrogen peroxide and cinnamon is great at activating it. You aren't going to turn into a platinum blonde, but this mixture can lighten your hair up to 2 shades. It'll have that natural golden hue you get after spending the whole summer in California, even if you actually live in Alaska. If you want to get a richer, darker hair color, try out a coffee mask. You can apply freshly brewed strong coffee directly onto your hair, but let it cool first. Or you can mix it with your favorite hair conditioner. Cocoa is good at hair darkening too. Take a bottle half filled with shampoo and add some cocoa beans. The product is going to smell good and make your hair a shade deeper. It's also super nourishing and makes the hair look fuller and glossier. Try rinsing your hair with rice water. It works wonders for most people who try it. Mix a bowl of water and a bowl of rice. Let it sit for 24 hours at room temperature. Refrigerate the mixture until you're ready to use it or it'll go bad. No need to change your hair washing schedule, just use the rice water after shampooing and conditioning. Focus on the scalp to achieve better results. Waxing can be pricey, especially if you do it in an aesthetic center. Replace it with homemade sugar wax. Mix 1 cup of sugar, a half cup of water, and 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Stir the ingredients well and heat them for about 10 minutes. When the mixture turns brown, you can add 1 tablespoon of glycerin if you want to have a hydrating effect, but it's optional. Stop heating when the mixture is just a bit thicker than honey. A lack of vitamin C, overexposure to the sun, dry skin, and a lack of sleep lead to dark circles under your eyes. Sure, you can cover them with some concealer, but glycerin, rose water, and lemon juice remove dark circles instead of hiding them. Mix 2 tablespoons of glycerin, 1 tablespoon of rose water, and 1 more of lemon juice, and apply this stuff right under your eyes with a cotton pad. Massage the under eye area for a couple of minutes and leave it overnight. Wash the mixture off in the morning. Brown sugar and coconut oil can be a wonderful whitening agent for your armpits. Before taking a shower, rub a couple of drops of coconut oil on the underarm area. Then massage some brown sugar in and wash everything away. It'll also have a nice exfoliating effect.